Right now, I'm on the island of Cyprus in the Mediterranean. Very powerful sun here. Beautiful bougainvillea, palm trees. I forget what that is. Maybe oleander? If you know what flower this is, put it in the comments. Let me just get a still photo of this. Looks like a little park. Hibiscus. What a tranquil place. I think that's what I'll call this video. The tranquility of Cyprus. If I forget to name it that, call me out in the comments, please. Cute little cafe. That was a nice place. I got water. There's the local post office. Maybe someday in the future, I'll come back to Cyprus and I'll get out to the countryside and see what that's like. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Put it in the comments. What did you think of Cyprus?